Hey guys, and welcome to another OG giveaway day. Right here we have DPG. He just became OG, which means he has been subscribed to this channel for 12 months. That's a long time, and that's why he deserves to get a prize. Besides the fact that he's being active these 12 months. So if you would like to win these special prizes, you just have to be active. In 12 months, you get a prize. In let's say another 12 months, you get 2 prizes, and so on. Well, the winner does get to choose whatever they want from the item shop, and we have another winner coming up later on as well. But don't get this confused with the regular giveaways. With the regular giveaways, you could be subbed for just a week and you can win. As well, for that giveaway, the winner gets to choose whatever they want from the item shop. This is an additional giveaway that I'm doing now with OG subscribers. Anyways, right now we're just gonna get started with the gifting. So right here in the item shop, what TPG wants is all the way down here. Now, not all packs are giftable, but this one right here is. So let me just take a look at it. Yeah, so you guys can see which ones are giftable and which ones are not. Right now, if you click on this one, it's gonna tell you there is no option to gift it out, so you can't. This one right here is fully giftable. It does give you a second option where it says gift. And this one as well, which is what DPG wants. Again, that's a gift, so this pack is fully giftable. So we're gonna go on and gift this away right away. We're not gonna wait for anything. Just go ahead. We're gonna go and take a look at DPG's name. He doesn't own it, as you guys can see. We can click on his name, sent as a gift. So we're sending that out. And the way that I can confirm that he got it, just by going back, I'm gonna see that he owns it. So I cannot send this over again. And that's how you know the person got it. Now, if they didn't get it right away, all they have to do is change the banner, go into a game, get out of the game, restart their Fortnite, and there you go. That's about it. Only the person who's sending out the gift needs 2FA, not the person who's getting the gift. So once again, congrats TPG for winning. You have become an official OG giveaway day winner. Anyways, right now we're gonna go back once again, and we're gonna take a look if he's wearing. Perfect. Now if you can scroll through all the skins that you got, so there's 3 from that pack if I'm right, and we can see all of them. So it's the second skin that you got from the pack. I think there's a third one, unless I'm wrong, but yeah, there you go, third one. Awesome. So congrats once again for winning, DPG. Now guys, if you're watching this as a video, not a stream, then that means you should comment down here in the comments area if you think you're OG sub, so I can take a look at it and make sure that you are. And as long as you have been active, you can definitely get your prize. Anyways.